If you want to start living a more soft and elegant life, for sure you'll not always be very glamorously dressed, although it would be nice, but it's not really realistic to wear all these glamorous outfits all the time. So what should you do? But also you don't want to wear your sloppy old garbage clothes with holes and everything. I really understand. You might not feel the most elegant self and you just want to feel your best all the time. So what should you do? This video is actually for a dear subscriber of mine. Hello Inga! Thank you very much for the idea. It was such an amazing topic to film. So I really hope you enjoy it. I always love to receive some video ideas, so let me know what kind of video you want to see. So for example, you saw this pencil skirt and this boat neck top. I really love this outfit, but really don't want to ruin it because I just love it. So of course I'm not going to wear it if I'm doing chores like gardening, like painting. And today I'm going to show you what you can wear instead to be a little bit more elegant and chic. While I'm filming this video, it's Sunday and I really want to gardening and I take you all along. So let's change. So for example, I would wear an outfit like that. A very normal simple t-shirt, and I have the trousers like that. Those are also a very comfortable, almost jogging material, but it's a bit more structured. It's high-waisted, but still very, very loose and comfortable. I got it from Mango last year. I will try to find something similar and I will link it down below. Not sure if this exact model is still available, but it's super stretchy as you can see here and it's perfect for gardening. We always worry so much with our clothes, we get dirty, so we don't use nice things and wash so many things. And of course I wouldn't wear this particular outfit for maybe painting, but for gardening it's perfect. For some activities you want to put your hair of course up, but if you're doing something afterwards, this little tiny hair ties might sometimes destroy your hair or leave it with like a weird break in your hair because you want to be quick and not have ugly hair. In that case, I would recommend something like that. I have a hair tie like that, so it's very gently on your hair. But my number one favorite is a scrunchie. They were so popular in the 90s and I really love it because it really protects your hair, it's not too harsh. I love silk ones, but unfortunately I lost my silk one. But I have one in here which is from a velvet material, so I think it looks also very nice and protects your hair much more. So let's have a try. So I simply just tie it up in a very simple bun. And if I put it out later, my hair is very protected, looks pretty nice and has some volume. So I can really recommend a simple scrunchie like that. You can get them in every store. I will of course link some silky ones in my description box if you want to have a look, but you can really get them from everywhere. If you get a little bit soil on your clothes, it's not really a drama. You can still wash it and it still looks pretty fine. But how about activities where you will damage your clothes and get them totally destroyed with color, with paint, with everything. I'm painting quite a lot, so I definitely have clothes that are the worst. For example, I painted this one, and this one, and this one. Okay, the last one didn't destroy my clothes so much. But for this activity, I'm wearing something like that. A jeans I wore a couple of years ago, which is not really my style anymore, but they are still comfortable and as you can see they are full of color and paint. And this sweater. I used to like to wear this sweater, but I got some stains on it and I never could really wash the stains out. They really stayed into the sweater. So now you see a lot of paint on it and now it's my painting sweater. So in case I'm doing work like that, by the way you can see me doing that in one vlog, I will link it somewhere in here. In case I'm doing that, I always keep one set of clothes around. I also have an old tank top. So in case it's summer and it's just too hot for this whole sweater, then I'm wearing this tank top, also full with paint, to do some stuff like that. It's also a bit older and I'm not really into that style anymore. If you're looking for an excuse to keep all your old clothes, get rid of them. You don't need it. You need one pair of jeans or an old trousers, maybe one top and one sweater. You don't need more. I keep that around if I want to color my hair, for example, paint, do things, activities where you know it will ruin your clothes. So in that case, keep one pair, but don't keep a whole wardrobe just for these activities. Subscribe to my channel so you don't miss any glamorous content. If you enjoyed this video, you might also enjoy my vlog videos. And if you enjoy more fashion videos, I have a whole playlist just about that. Stay chic and I will see you in the next video. Bye!